Welcome to HydrOxi Pro 101. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're here to talk to you about HydrOxi Pro Concentrate, which is Core's answer to hydrogen peroxide cleaner in the market today. We have HydrOxi Pro, which comes in 32 quart bottles, 1 gallon bottles, 5 gallon pails, 55 gallon drums, and you can even get 275 gallon totes for those big jobs that you need to clean. We have two different dispensing systems here to talk to you about today. We have our BA2, which is our wall dispenser that'll dispense the product to two different dilutions to take your guessing game out of it. We also have a handheld dispenser here that'll fit directly on the gallon bottle, so you can basically reduce the amount of dispensers that you need throughout a facility. It enables you to take it around the building and just attach a garden hose to any water spout situation. So what is HydrOxi Pro and what can we do for you today with this product? HydrOxi Pro is a hydrogen peroxide based product, has orange oils, and has human safe surfactants in it. It's basically one product with two dilutions that's going to clean over 90% of your facility. The great thing about this product, it does 5 things amazingly over what conventional cleaners do. Number 1, tile and grout cleaning. It'll take tile and grout back to its original color and clean all the way down to the pores and crevices of a tile. Number 2, deodorizing. Any situation that you have urine, feces, vomit odors, or even food odors, you can take HydrOxi Pro and eliminate that just by the use of a simple chemical. Number 3, we can take soap scums and animal fats. So anything organic in a kitchen, in a shower, things of that nature, HydrOxi Pro will remove that with the ease of spraying it on and wiping it off. And number 4, what we can do is glass cleaning. We are a streak-free glass cleaner, and we are going to be less expensive using HydrOxi Pro than a conventional blue or purple glass cleaner. And then the 5th thing would be carpet cleaning. You can use this product in your extractor, as a pre-spray, as a bonnet cleaner, or just a simple spotter, all with this great product HydrOxi Pro. So there are 4 things that HydrOxi Pro or other hydrogen peroxide cleaners can't do. Number 1 is hard water. We cannot remove hard water deposits or stains. Number 2, you cannot do graffiti. Graffiti removers sort of penetrate in a different way than the chemistry of HydrOxi Pro, but Core does have graffiti off to fulfill any of those needs. Number 3, synthetics, motor oils, transmission fluids. So HydrOxi Pro isn't the best product to use in your warehouse and things of that nature to clean your equipment. And number 4, the last thing that we can't do with HydrOxi Pro is we can't strip a floor. HydrOxi Pro is a neutral pH, and therefore it's not going to remove any floor finish nor damage any surfaces. So now let's talk about the chemistry of hydrogen peroxide products. Basically what we have here is this product with one product, 2 dilutions is going to clean up over 90% of your facility. The way the product is made up is we take 3 human safe surfactants, which are going to basically break down the water and make it water soluble. We add orange oil. The orange oil is going to act as your degreaser to remove those animal fats and body fats. And then number 3 is hydrogen peroxide. And hydrogen peroxide is going to act as a steroid and boost the other products. So what does this mean to you? It means we leave little to no residue on any surfaces, which in turn means that we're not going to have resoiling problem that really raise your price in cleaning. So next what we're going to do is show you a couple different ways to demo HydrOxi Pro out at the end user. First we're going to do tile and grout. Now when you do tile and grout, you need to spray the product on, and you actually need to let the product do its work. So you spray it on, and I like to spray it at a crossing of the grout, and I let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll agitate it with a brush. Now after letting the product sit for 10 minutes dwelling, you simply take a little grout brush, I prefer a white one, and you're going to just scrub back and forth, and I like to do it at the T. You can already see here dirt and suds coming up. Now the suds are not from HydrOxi Pro, it's from the conventional cleaners that they're using on their floor, which in turn is making their grout dirty. So as you can see, that it's much lighter than it was before. Now, what I always recommend is that you have your customer come back in about 30 to 40 minutes because grout is porous and it's wet right now. So as it dries, it's going to get brighter and brighter and brighter. The other great thing to do is I take my red, I'll spray it on the brush, or I wash it under a sink, and what I'm representing is the fact that we are not leaving any residues behind. As I said, HydrOxi Pro can be used for carpet spotting and carpet cleaning. Here we're going to just clean a walk-off mat here and show you how great HydrOxi Pro works. Now, some people like to use brushes. Some people, like myself, just like to use our foot. So what I like to show you is I'm just using my foot. You can see all the soap coming out, which is residue, and the dirt. So first I'll wipe my shoe off, then I'll take a towel. What you can see is the yellow is brighter, and especially the blue around it. So we've taken that residue and we've taken that dirt out of the carpet, and it will not resoil because, again, HydrOxi Pro is not going to leave residues in your carpet. We're here in the bathroom now talking about glass cleaning. So mirror and glass cleaning is basically one of the things that a HydrOxi Pro does better than conventional cleaners. You currently can buy blue glass cleaner or purple glass cleaner, whether it has alcohol, ammonia in it, and basically what you're doing is selling something that everybody else has. So by using HydrOxi Pro for this purpose, not only are you going to keep your competition out, but you're going to actually do a better job. What I like to do first is take the red, and I spray the red on the mirror simply to remove all of the residues that may be there from conventional glass cleaners. And one of the interesting things that I like to do is I like to take some of the grease off of my forehead and wipe it on the mirror. And I'm doing this for two reasons in a demo. The first reason I'm doing is to show you that I can clean and it'll be a streak-free glass cleaner. But second, I told you that HydrOxi Pro works very, very well on animal and body fats. And by spraying it on, or putting it on the mirror and then spraying it, I can show you how well it does work on that. I take the green or the light duty, I'm going to simply mist it on. I like to take my hand, agitate, which will make the grease come out really milky. Then I take a microfiber or a paper towel, and I'm simply just going to go back and forth, wipe it dry. And the great thing about this is that the mirror is not completely dry, but it'll dry streak free because, again, HydrOxi Pro does not leave residues on any surface. Now I'm going to show you all the different things we can use HydrOxi Pro Red around the restroom. So we talked about odor control. A lot of your odors are coming from this area of your bathroom. So I like to take HydrOxi Pro and not only spray on top of the urinal, but definitely underneath the urinal because that's where the urine's sitting. But it's really important to get along the walls. Again, HydrOxi Pro is a phenomenal deodorizer, and what we do is we're going to eliminate the biofilms and the solutions that are harboring the bacteria that are causing the